What's up guys, it's Jack, and today something cool came in the mail. My power driven diesel PDD air filter, I believe. I don't think it's PDF, that's Adobe, but here's the air filter box right here. I really want to open it, but I already Sharpied everything out so you guys don't see my address. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Jesus. Oh, there she is. Did we get any stickers though? Oh, we got it. Pretty nice too. Look at that thing. So there's a thing of coolant for you guys for size comparison. It's probably the best thing I got right now. This is a thing of a gallon, and this is the air filter. So we're gonna go ahead and take the AFE out and do a size comparison and just kind of see what the differences are. All right, so I took the two screws out. They were just Allen's and or Allen head. We're gonna take off the cover for my air filter, and you guys can see how disgusting this thing is. It has definitely seen its days. I've never seen an air filter in my entire life that dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of set this guy over here, and we're gonna pop this off. It's just a flathead, which I got right here. I just can't believe how disgusting this thing is. Look at my hands from that. That's disgusting. That thing is beat. I can't believe that. Look at the difference in quality too. Like, I also got this mesh screen here. I like that. That will prevent all this caving in and smashing. So pretty neat. So I got the filter on. Fits a little bit tighter than the AFE, but it's not built for the AFE boot. So. But I mean, it fits in there, so that's all that matters. I'll go ahead and start this thing up for you guys.